So this is pretty much the bulk of this one. So you're getting a lot of these kind of little swells. You feel me? Swells of water where, you know, the drains are clogged up. But that's about it though, for the most part. I mean, it's all the kind of stuff you're seeing. These cars, and you see all the extra swelling in these areas. Oh damn, he almost hit the guy on the bike. Damn. Anyway, yeah, that's pretty much the bulk of it, man. You got this gigantic puddles just come over the water. Come on, there they go, they're moving.